how to check your kingpin. This is a how-to series. We're gonna see how they do, and we want to share tips and tricks and how-tos, how to fix certain things. Next video after this is gonna be how to change the AFCO filter.
That one needs to be replaced, right?
It is, yeah. We just pulled in the truck for a quick service, and we are gonna do kingpins on it, so we're gonna talk about kingpins. Let's do it.
First thing, you're gonna jack up the truck from the front axle. We got our jack under there, and you want to secure it from the U-bolt or the axle. And then you're gonna be needing a pry bar to put pressure on the wheel or lift up on the wheel, and then you'll be able to see how much play, if any, on the spindle over here on the axle.
Okay, you think we're gonna be able to pick it up?
I think we will.
Okay, let's see.
You want to lift it too high up, because if you lift it too high up, then you're not going to be able to put any pressure on the wheel, like so.
Okay.
And then some guys will lift up the truck from the middle, which is a big no, because then you're just teetering the truck.
So you want to have it on the ground on the opposite side.
Yeah.
So you're lifting only one side.
And also you want to do this before the PM, before it's greased, because once you grease it up, you're going to fill in that gap. And then it's harder to tell, or you'll miss it.
So let's check this one. What are you doing here? You're propping it up from the bottom.
Yeah, from here.
Yeah.
I'm putting leverage.
Do you feel anything?
I can feel it right here.
So describe what we're feeling here.
So right now, as I'm putting pressure, I can feel the tire go up very slightly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
and you can also hear the grease between the shims. You can hear that wear on there. I think you can focus on this area.
It's gonna be very hard to see. Yeah, you can see it, but I don't know if camera usually.
This is another way you can put the part in. You want to make sure you don't go where the valve is, or else you'll damage it. So
same thing. You feel it, right?
You can feel it, yeah.
Okay, it's hard to
pick it up on camera.
And describe what actually you're feeling. But you're feeling almost like a click, right? Like a like.
And
how would you describe it?
Like I said, you can hear the grease between the shims and the axle. You can hear it.
And when would you be looking for on the inside? You want to go, if you can point out exactly now, since we're not doing
so
it.
You have your axle right here, and this is your thrust bearing for the kingpin. So either you'll have up and down play, or on the bushings you will have side to side. So you want to focus on this. Let me try to.
Yeah, it's very hard. It's
like very minimal, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it. I mean, look at the tire. It's always going to be that type of wear.
Wear, exactly.
And it's not a lot of play, but it's already, the tire has mileage on it, and it's already showing and it's chewing it up. So we're going to do it and put new tires on it. But when you have more play, it's going to be a lot more apparent.
And a lot more wear on the tire.
And a lot more wear, yeah. Well, sometimes people will
just put tires on them.
Yeah, just put tires on them and not address the issue, and it's going to start chewing up the new tire. And then you pretty much have to throw away the tire and then do the kingpins and put new tires on.
Or just throw on some semi-looking tires and sell the truck, and now it needs kingpins.
Let's look at the wear. You can tell by the wear what's the front suspension doing. Shocks or kingpins, or out of alignment, or low air, right? And then this particular wear is kingpins. So that's what you do for checking your kingpins. I would say if your truck is in the shop, just ask a mechanic, right? Walk with him and check it yourself, so you can get the feel for it, what actually it feels.
Or another thing is that as a driver, you'll feel it either at 45, you have random speed, 45, 65.
Wobble. You're gonna feel wobble, and that's definitely one of the most important tells.
And it's a wobble that will only stay within those, like, let's say 10-mile range.
Yeah.
45 to 50, and then it'll just go away.
You're gonna be able to drive out of it.
It's not a constant vibration.
Yeah. All right. Thank you guys. Let us know what you think about the how-to. This is how to check your kingpins, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.